Entered this trade in E period. You can see I have an entry line there. I'm just waiting for it to get up to my level. Once I seen D period get rejected out of here, I thought, shorting this E period seemed kind of obvious to me. My entry, I'm looking at that low volume node there just below the B period high, basically right where the line's at. I wouldn't want to see it go over that D high. And then I have two different targets down there, one at the POC and then one at the value area low. Just grinds around a little bit before moving up. Right there, I entered the trade. Get a stop over that D high. I'm really looking for that value area low there at 75.50. It does move against me a little bit here, but I'm not too worried about it as long as we stay under that D high. This video is about 17 minutes long originally, and I sped it up, so now it's only about 5 minutes. You can see we have 2 minutes to that F period opens. But I still leave my stop where it's at. But I'm kind of thinking, as long as F doesn't get over that E high, it's going to look pretty good. Here's the F period. So at this point, as long as that F stays under the E, I feel pretty good about it. I leave the stop up there over the D because, it might take one tick over that F or something. So I don't want to get too close to it. Right here, I should have added to this, or I feel like I should have added to this trade. You can see how it's stepping down. You had the DI, the EI, and then the FI. Just the market's moving so slow. I just didn't feel like, putting more up against it. So I'm watching that value area high to make sure we get through there. Next place I'm going to look is that half back and kind of the VWAP market profile POC area. As long as we don't stop in this area, and have a strong push upwards, I feel pretty good about it. I got rid of that POC target just because I feel like we should easily get to that 75.50. And also, I was looking at that A low, how it came exactly at the overnight low. So I was considering that as a target, but I just felt like, depending on how we get there and only having one contract, I'd probably just take it at the 75.50. I have that area that's the open with the orange dash line and the weekly POC and the POC there. So I have that highlighted as an area that we need to make sure we get through. I'm watching that E low to make sure we can break that. You see, I just adjusted the target down there to the 75.50. And right there, it takes me out. That was 34 ticks on that trade.